friends, welcome to Rajmudra Academy. From the context of world geography, we need to know about Turkish straits. There are two straits which we need to know here. One is Bosphorus Strait and other is Dardanelles Strait. Now, exactly how these are connected and how these are extending to Mediterranean Sea, that we need to know. Suppose you are in Black Sea, you are in the ship in the Black Sea and you are traveling and you want to go to Mediterranean Sea. So exactly how you will travel in this region? So first of all, from Black Sea, you will cross this Strait of Bosphorus. Bosphorus Strait, you will cross a narrow water body in that area. After that, you will be entering into Sea of Marmara. After crossing Sea of Marmara, you will be crossing Dardanelles Strait and then you will be entering into Aegean Sea. And once you cross this Aegean Sea, further you will be entering into Mediterranean Sea. And from Mediterranean Sea onward, through this Red Sea route, you can extend your journey till the Indian Ocean also. So that is the important route from Black Sea to Mediterranean Sea. How exactly this connectivity occurs through the Turkish Strait, that we need to know. Thank you.